Today, a Suzuki Wagon R came to our workshop with a steering problem. First, we moved the steering left and right to check the issue, and we could clearly hear a bad noise. So, we started diagnosing the problem. First, we removed the wheel, and then carefully removed the other components to take the steering assembly out. We carefully removed all the necessary parts from the vehicle so we could take the steering rack out. Once the steering was removed, we inspected it properly and found that the steering assembly was faulty and causing the noise. We found that the bush inside the steering rack was badly worn out, which was causing this knocking noise. We found a bad noise coming from the front wheel hub bearings, so we replaced the bearings on both front wheel hubs. As you can see, the condition of the steering rack is quite bad, and unfortunately, it cannot be repaired. So we decided to install a brand new steering assembly. First, we showed the new part, then installed it properly in its position. After that, we reassembled all the parts we had removed and properly tightened all the nuts and bolts. Finally, we installed the wheel and sent the car for a test drive. We checked the steering again by turning it left and right, and as you can hear, the bad noise is completely gone.